YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the freaking channel. It has been forever. Like, it's been a really long time. I apologize. I have been doing life. I have been sick. I got COVID. That knocked me out for like 2.5 weeks. My wife got it. Our kids are little savages, so they didn't get it. And then I got double lung pneumonia. It has been absolutely awful. And that's as far as I'm gonna go with anything involving that. But I am feeling so much better now. I get tired and I get winded. My lungs are still working to get better, but I feel so good and I am like so happy to just be doing things again. That being stuck in the house for over 2 weeks was absolutely brutal. It screwed up my brain. It did a lot of things, but we are back. We are getting, the car is going into the shop. The car's been all over the place. The car was in at Eurotech. We needed, we had a fan go out. We've got radiators, we've got condensers. Okay, let's see here. So we're gonna break down in this video all of the problems that we've had, or that we ran into with the car, all the damage we did on Crown Rally West, and we now have Crown Rally North coming up in 2 weeks. We're getting the car logoed up, and the car is getting something super awesome. All three of our cars are. Let's go. So to give you a little rundown, I'll show you exactly what happened here. Yeah. So what caused this was out on the roads in Nevada, there was a lot of high-speed driving, and then there was a lot of high-speed passing. And then when cars come over, they pass right in front of you, and they go over that middle little rumble strip. There's a lot of gravel and sand that sits in there that's whipped across the desert roads out there. And then now that kicks up onto your car. So we do need to replace the windshield. The windshield got about 1,000 chips in it. Here's, I mean, here, these are just all over. But we are gonna wait. We are gonna wait till the end of rally season to do the windshield, just in case we end up getting rid of the car. But here are here's what happened to the radiators and stuff. All this fun stuff you can see in there. Those fins are so smashed you cannot. There is no like trying to fix them. So every spot that was open, every spot that does not have clear bra on it, you can see is completely trashed in the logo. Right now, the other thing that we ran into was one of our fans went out. No clue if that had anything to do with this, but Eurotech was able to get a new fan put in. We were able to get the fluids changed. We've got tires on the car, so the car is ready for Crown Rally North, which is coming up. We have a ton of stuff to get done before then. Not really on the car. We're gonna go get the car liveryed up, and then we're just gonna rally this thing as it sits, and then all these new parts will go in once the rally season's over. So we've got 2 more rallies to do this year, maybe 3, and then we might retire this car. We don't know. We don't know. I have no idea. That is a little update on what has been going on around here. Grady is rocking the War Wagon, and we are going to Nordic Audio, and we're getting some super light up the night style modifications done to the full carbon GTR, Bud's Hellcat Red Eye, and my Huracan, and it's gonna be freaking sweet. You're officially part of the Fast and the Furious Club.
Check,
dude. I can see you. Look at those lights. It's like the real deal, Holyfield.
We just need the music.
Dude. We got one of the 3 cars back. Look at that. Dude, that's so fast and so furious. Alright, so we just got the call. The cars are done, ready to go. They are at Nordic Audio in Coon Rapids, Minnesota. I am so pumped. We're also gonna do something super sweet with the hot rod. She's gonna get some, I don't know what we're gonna do, but the problem is that I need to drive all the way out to Coon Rapids. It's about an hour away, and what I don't want to do is have someone else drive me, and then they're like stuck there, you know, or have someone else drive me all the way out there and all the way back. So I don't want to be a burden. So I figure I've got this smart car. We might as well take the smart car, and then we will just drop it off there and let him do his thing on the smart car too, and then we'll just go figure out at some point I'm gonna have to get a ride out there, but for now let's roll. So we got some wind, which usually is not a big deal, but when you got a full roof rack on your smart car, the smart car goes all over the place. So we're about to have the coolest mods done ever to the the Huracan, end of this. It's gonna be so sweet. But I'm not gonna lie, I cannot wait to drive my Huracan and not this across the whole state. Alright, so he has no idea that I'm dropping off the smart car and I'm just leaving it here. Have him do something like super awesome. In the Lambo, I cannot show you what we had done yet. We are going to wait until it's dark out. But we are heading to Epic Wraps now. We have to get the car livery put on. We're heading from Coon Rapids all the way across to Rosemount. And we've got 36 minutes to do it to be on time. All right, so I've made it to Epic Wraps. They are, they got the livery on and check it out. These guys are doing work over here. It's happening! It's happening!
Just wait!
It's happening! Bud!
Ready?
Bud!
Ready?
Yeah! Alright, so this is honestly like out of all the mods, literally all the mods we've ever done on any of these cars. Grady's car is all carbon fiber, and these underglow lights are the best mod he's ever done. Hands down, 1000% for sure. This is for sure one of the cooler things I've ever done. We're on the Hudson Pier. I've never seen anything but police on this. And now we are with a whole bunch of cars. I have no idea if they have any clue what's going on up here, so I guess we just... Alright, so we have made it down to the light year night on the pier, and there is a nasty storm that is just about to blow in, and it's going to be complete chaos because there's people using this pier, and let's give you a quick rundown of the Alright, that was a success, but it is freaking pouring rain. We knew better. We should have just got home, but we did not. We did not. Alright guys, so there it is. It is like 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. I don't even know what time it is. We have to be up. We have the Minneapolis Mile coming up at the Minneapolis Convention Center tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. So stay tuned. We will do a full video on that. But for now, killer show. We got to use the dike in Hudson. The police came. They were awesome as always. The Hudson Police Department is top notch. A bunch of very, very, very good people in the police department. So they were super cool. Everything was cool. Got to talk to a lot of people, and a huge shout out to Nordic Audio for pimping out the Lambo. Look at that. So last minute we hit him up. We're like, hey, we got a car show we're doing at night, and we want underglow lights. We want to take this back to 2003, and I don't care whether y'all like it or you don't. I think it's freaking awesome. It is for sure 100% by far my favorite thing I've ever done to this car. With that, I got to get to bed. I am out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna try to keep these updated a little more often. Trying to get you guys some content. We've got Smart Car, we've got Jet Boat, we've got Lambo, we've got 2 Civics, we've got all sorts of stuff going on. If you need some merch, bosslevelmerch.com. That is my company, me and Danny's company that we own, and we can get your merch set up. We can get your personal brand growing. And yeah, with that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'm out. Peace.